What's up, guys? Getting ready to head out to do about 20 rooms in a hotel, annual hotel job that we do. 20 rooms today, 20 rooms tomorrow, until we finish up 120 rooms. So I have mixed up my pre-spray and my two backpacks. We're using the Orbot Vibe and my 175 that is in the van. I mixed up both my backpack sprayers. That should be enough for 20 rooms, same 10 rooms a piece. And getting ready to get out of here. Oh, and I did spike everything with this shoulder side deodorizer right here. Just, because it's hotel, All right, see you when we get there. We got the solution tank there with spotter, so she goes across the spot that doesn't come up. She'll spray it, then we go back over it, and usually it gets rid of everything. So we pre-spray, then we go around and scrub with a hand scrubber. Little spots that that we need some agitation. We don't agitate the whole thing. And then we're going to go over it with the bonnet. And this is the new machine we're using, the Vibe, Orbot Vibe. She's going to be using this. I'm going to be using the rotary 175. And yeah, easy cleaning. So if you got somebody who's not comfortable with the rotary machine, the swing machine, this machine right here is easy. You won't be going through walls with this thing. So what we do is we pre-spray, spot, and then if we see any red stains and stuff like that, I have the Danco floor steamer handy. We already got rid of one red stain, and we'll charge accordingly. So what I do personally, and I know everybody has their own methods of bonnet cleaning. I pre-spray and I actually wet the bonnet. I wet it. I put it under a sink or in a bucket, wring it out, and wet it. I find it cleans better. It's more of a rinse. It rinses better. If it's dry, I find that you're spending more time trying to get stains out. When it's wet, it really knocks that stain out really quick. It's not going to put a whole bunch of dry time on it, right? You're still going to get an hour of dry time. So, all right, I'm gonna get started in the other one while I get out of her way. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but that's the part I cleaned. This is the dirty part. Testing out the quality of this iPhone 13 Pro Max versus my GoPro, but visually, total difference. Again, I can't stress enough, wetting these bonnets make a world of a difference. And I've been doing VLM for a while now, and I used to just do a top spray on the bonnet with the pre-spray, but no longer. All right, so if you're wondering how many pads it takes to do this, we're using one side per room. So, doing 10 rooms, 5 pads. One room. So anything left over, since we're using encapsulation formula, it dries to a crystal. And when you vacuum, it's gonna actually clean more. It's gonna pick up all that encapsulated soil and actually keeps cleaning when we're done. So it really makes a difference what your chemistry is in carpet cleaning. I think encapsulation formula is just smart chemicals, the smart chems, and I'm sticking to it. By the way, I notice a lot of people do VLM and they'll do multiple pads per job. I don't do that. I might make some people mad, but I don't need to do a bunch of different pads. So you pre-spray. If you have an agitation machine, you agitate, and then you take your bonnet, cotton bonnet, or whatever is your best bonnet for absorbing, and you clean with it. And like I said, you use encapsulation formula. So when they vacuum, it comes even cleaner. So a lot of guys will start with one pad, they'll do another pad. You're doing 3 cleans. Nah, not me. So the lighting is horrible in here. Give me. What I'm doing is going around seeing if there's any specialty stains need to be addressed. Organic. This is a big wine tasting industry town, so wine spots are, see right here next to the bed, nice wine spill right there. So this is a peroxide product, and as it sits, it'll get rid of the stain. By the time I get to it, it should be gone. If not, I'll do a post spray on it. My new toy. We did a big laminate job with it yesterday. That coupled with my rotary, and we made a quick work of about 3,400 square feet of laminate. And this machine has a lot of credit to that. It only took us 2 hours. 50 cents a square foot. You do the math. I'm trying to get some footage here. She's a mad lady on this. She's a lot better with this machine than I am already. She's had all the practice on it. So it's got the spray on there in case she sees a spot. She can hit it and go over it again. So I got this from Incap Store. Link below my video. And there's also going to be a link. There's always a link for all the tools I use and solutions I use. It goes to a web page, and you can find all the stuff that I use with direct links to all this stuff. So this is the link for this is an affiliate link. So I get a little bit of paid on a little back end for referring it, but that's not the reason why. Obviously, I bought the machine. It ain't cheap, and I felt it. I needed it, and I'm glad it's between today and yesterday, it already paid itself off. So yeah, it doesn't cost you anymore, guys. If you don't know about affiliate links, it didn't cost the customer anymore. It just gives a little kickback to the people that are referring it. So hey, if you like me and you support me, you can start clicking my affiliate link so I can get a little money for promoting these people's stuff. What the hell? Down a little red stuff. This is an Namco steamer right here. You can find this machine at OptimumFloorCare.com. That's where I got it from. Alright, last room of 24 we did today. We knocked out 24. So 2:15. We'll be done with this in about 5-10 minutes. Call it a wrap. So it's a 4-hour day. Anybody who watches my channel, you know I don't like working over 4-hour days. Max I do is 5-hour days, and only once or twice I've did any more than that. So that's just my semi-retirement hours. Not that I'm retired, but I'm retired from the working for other people. So now I'm in charge of how many hours I work and how much money I make. Although I do say in a lot of my videos so much per hour, I made so much per hour on this. I'm just saying that, guys, not to brag, but only to inspire and motivate people and let them know what really is going on out here and what really is possible. If I can do it, you can do it. So she can do it. She's killing it today. She's a master of the Orbot Vibe. So this is a larger room here. So we charge extra. So I charge $40 a room. This will be a $70 a room here. This is bigger. Oh, right here, a little spot right there. There you go. Using the spray action. So, you know, I'm doing a lot of focusing on my new toy, of course. You get new toys, we get excited. But this tool is awesome because it's so easy to use. And the rotation is great. I do a lot of research on my tools before I buy them. And initially I found out that the RPM on this, or the RPM, right? I'm wrong. Anyway, how many revolutions per minute? It's slower than the rotary machines, but I wasn't even giving it a factor of, you know, it's a different pattern, the orbiting pattern. So it's like 3 times what a rotary machine can do. That means you can move faster, get things done a lot quicker. And that's what I'm all about. A lot of people take, in my opinion, way too much time cleaning carpets. I see guys doing jobs that I would have done in an hour and a half, taking half a day. And you know, and they even tell me. So buying machines to speed up the process and you can still do an awesome job with is really, really important to me. Even if I gotta spend a pretty penny. As far as the rotary, a swing machine, buffer, 175, whatever you want to call it. This thing is, hey, I love this thing. Not everybody can get on here and feel comfortable with it, especially if you got a helper who just started, right? They're going to worry about going to the wall, and you're going to be even worried about more because who's going to have to pay for it? But this machine's awesome. You can put a tank on this thing too. What happens is it feeds through the pad instead of spraying out front. But yeah, with that and that, that's a dynamic tool. 175, $1,000. One of them Orbot Vibes, close to $4,000 if you want the spray function. Without it, it's about $1,000 cheaper. So yeah, if you're just starting out and you're working with a budget, maybe think about getting something like this and just get used to it. It takes you 5 minutes to get used to this machine. I can do it with one hand, and I do it a lot of times recording. So, all right, we're done for the day. We're gonna go have some lunch, some barbecue place over here. I can smell it, it's calling me. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Yeah, we were using that microfiber on this, and it actually really, really cleans well. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video.